Welcome to Tradespoon Live TV. My name is Vlad Karpel and I'm the founder of Tradespoon. And today we have a special guest, Joe Cusick from Trading Block. Joe, how are you today?
I'm great, Vlad. Thanks a lot for having me on.
The major decision was FOMC meeting and the Wall Street took it well. And volatility has moved down to 13 and the stock market made a nice rally. Joe, what do you see in terms of Wall Street week ahead?
You know what, Vlad? I think there's going to be 3 or 4 areas that people are going to watch. Today we had existing home sales come out, about 4.88 million. That was better than what was expected, and I think you're going to see some upside movement. Now, looking at the XHP, there was a little bit of a pullback on the news. That's the ETF that tracks the S&P. They're pricing in the potential for about 60 cents to move this week, and going into April expiration, which is that 3rd week, they're pricing in $1.35. With vol right around that 18 level, it's a decent amount of volatility that's being priced in there. If you want to keep an eye on the oil markets, there's been a lot of talk about what's going on with Iran and those negotiations. But again, oil has been basically pulling back, and it was up to the US oil was at around 1678. They're pricing in the potential to move about 75 cents this week. Keep an eye on oil. Nat gas, we live in the Midwest, but as you know, we've had snow again this week. We're going to watch the inventories data come out. Nat gas is right now pricing in around 63 cent move just this week alone. It was down about 20 cents. Let's see if that coal air is going to start kicking that up. And then we're going to end the week with the Michigan sentiment, and that is going to give us a pretty decent indicator of what's going on as far as sentiment in the market. The S&P spiders, they're pricing in the potential to move about 218 this week. And vol is low, though. Looking at that front month implied volatility, it's back in that 11.5 range. If you look at the VIX or front month vol and the spider options, it's at 11.5. Vol is cheap this week, so we want to keep an eye on that.
Thank you, Joe, for that insight and for all the information that you provide. Now